Hi, and welcome to the TechHub.training Alteryx Audit Intern Atrocities Challenge Solution. So for this challenge, we are tasked with finding any unrecorded liabilities for the year ended December 31st, 2022. In this challenge, we're given an Excel file with 3 different sheets that we're supposed to use to do this. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring in all 3 of these sheets with a input data tool. So all of these input data tools will have the same file path. We just need to make sure that we're changing which table each of them is pulling in from. So the first one is a cash disbursements table. Our second one is a vendor invoice detail table, which is pretty much our liabilities. And our third one is our receiving report. So after we bring in all these tables, we can join our cash disbursements table with our vendor invoice table to see if we've paid money to anyone that we didn't have a liability recorded for. So how we do that is with a join tool. And we bring our cash disbursements in on the left table, on the left side of the join. And we bring the vendor invoice on the right. And we join on the fields reference number and num. So when we do that, the left output of this join will be any cash disbursement that was not related to a liability that we have. So after we do that, what we got to check is if any of these cash disbursements were for goods that we received in 2022. So anything before year-end close. So we do that by joining with our receiving report. So we join these two on reference number and invoice number. And all we really care about is the date received, so we can unclick any of the other fields from receiving report. And that outputs this date received. After we do that, we can filter this output by the year-end date, which is December 31st of 2022. We've got to make sure that it is less than or equal to this date, because if something happened on December 31st, we want that to be included as well. When we output this, we are given one record, which is Spectral Sourcing Solutions for $125. And that is our solution.